In this quick guide, you'll learn how to open an Etrade account, a straightforward process that allows you to start investing in no time. Whether you're looking to dive into stocks, ETFs, or options, setting up your account is simple. Let's get started. First, head over to the Etrade website or open their app. Look for the option that invites you to get started on your account creation journey. Once there, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you wish to open. Etrade offers a variety of options, including brokerage, retirement, savings, or checking accounts. If your goal is to invest in stocks, ETFs, and options, go ahead and choose a brokerage account. Next, you'll need to decide on the specific account type. Options here include individual, joint, or custodial accounts. If you're opening this account for yourself, the individual account is the way to go. Existing customers will need to select Yes and sign in with their existing credentials. If you're new to Etrade, select No and continue with the registration process. You'll then be asked to enter some basic personal information. This includes your full name, phone number, and email address. Following this, provide your residential address, ensuring you include the city, state, and zip code. There's also an option to add a separate mailing address if you need it. To verify your identity, you'll need to input your date of birth and social security number. This step is crucial for security and compliance purposes. Next, fill out your employment details. This includes your occupation and employer information, if applicable. This information helps Etrade understand your financial background. Then, complete your investment profile by answering questions about your income, net worth, investment experience, and financial goals. These questions are designed to tailor your Etrade experience to your specific needs and objectives. You'll also encounter regulatory questions required by Etrade. It's important to read each one carefully and answer truthfully. Now, decide where the money for your account will come from. Options include savings or employment income. You'll also need to choose how you wish to handle any uninvested cash in your account. Additionally, you have the option to add a trusted contact person, which can be helpful for account security. Before finalizing your application, review and agree to the terms and disclosures provided by Etrade. This step is essential to ensure you're fully informed about the account you're opening. Finally, create your username and password. Make sure these are secure and memorable, as they'll be your key to accessing your Etrade account. And with that, your Etrade account is ready to go. You can now start funding your account and begin your investment journey. And that's how you open an Etrade account. Enjoy exploring the world of investments with your new account.